Hi, kindergarten and first grade. I hope you guys are doing okay. We will be back together soon enough, but I know it's been crazy with the snowstorm and now the damage at the school. But I miss you guys. We'll see each other soon. And I wanted to explain, I have posted the lessons of how to draw a penguin that we were going to do in class. But it talks about you can use black marker and then use a paintbrush to kind of blend it. And Miss Garsick's class got to do this, but all the other classes didn't. But if you don't have a paintbrush at home, don't worry about it. You could just draw it with pencil or marker or whatever you have. And then it kind of shows you also how to add a scarf if you want to. And then it links the book of A Bad Case of the Stripes if you want to read that book and add stripes to it too. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Stay safe. And I wanted to show you guys. Look at my sweatshirt. Do you recognize that? It's Keith Haring's artwork that we learned about a few weeks ago. So I'll see you guys soon, and I'll post videos the next couple weeks. Bye.